Imagine this: you're worried about your health, but the fear of judgment or gossip keeps you from seeking help. This fear, fueled by stigma and discrimination, is a harsh reality for many Jamaicans facing conditions like HIV, STDs, and mental health issues. This silence harms individuals and society in many ways.
Think about it. When someone feels excluded at work because of their health, their entire well-being suffers. Stress, anxiety, and isolation takes a toll on their focus and productivity. This impacts not just the individual, but the entire organization. We're taking a bold stance against all forms of workplace discrimination. The Beyond Labels Manufacturing a Stigma-free Workplace initiative is more than HIV. It is taking aim at biases based on mental health, race, gender, and sexual orientation. Anything that undermines a person's well-being and ability to contribute. Join us in breaking down the walls of prejudice, brick by brick, ensuring every workplace becomes a beacon of diversity, support, and mutual respect.
Imagine a workplace where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered, regardless of their background or health challenges. Through our mandate and work with various organizations, we've developed protocols to assist employers develop a culture of understanding and respect, regardless of anyone's challenges, so that each team member is treated with respect.
It is our hope that the work that UNAIDS and JMEA have done through the Beyond Labels initiative will uplift individuals, transform workplaces, and propel Jamaicans towards a more inclusive community. Let's end all forms of workplace discrimination.